Why does Dijon use a wireless head mic when he's not even dancing? Like, the only people you usually see using those are full pop acts doing choreography. So why him? At first I was like, what the hell? This feels kind of wrong. Like, what does he even do with his hands? But then I realized that's literally the point. There's nothing between him and the audience. No mic to hold, no stand to hide behind. He's just there, walking around like he's in his living room, singing to you. And it makes everything feel way more raw, like slightly uncomfortable in a good way. Because most artists need something to hold on to. A mic, a guitar, anything. And he just doesn't. Sometimes he's just standing there with nothing, which is kind of brave to be honest. And his whole setup is like that. All the musicians are on the same level, no raised stages or anything, barely any props. Yeah, he plays instruments in some songs, but a lot of the time it's just him completely exposed. And it's so unusual. I don't know, it just makes the whole thing feel way more human. Follow along for more random music insights.